Looking for an alternative for Kofax AP Essentials? Let me introduce you to Klippa DocHorizon. If you work in accounts payable, you already know how important fast, accurate invoice processing is. But what if the same platform could handle contracts, receipts, HR documents, onboarding forms, purchase orders, all in one place? That's exactly what Klippa DocHorizon delivers. Fast deployment, adaptive AI, and effortless scalability for virtually any document type. While some tools focus only on invoices, Klippa DocHorizon covers a wide range of use cases, from finance and HR to contracts, KYC, onboarding, and more. That means you don't have to manage multiple systems across departments, just one unified AI-powered platform. Forget rigid invoice templates. Klippa uses template-free AI-driven OCR and NLP to handle structured, semi-structured, and fully unstructured documents. Got an unusual supplier format or handwritten notes? No problem. It just works. Klippa's adaptive AI models learn and generalize across suppliers instantly. No retraining for each vendor, no manual tuning, it adapts on the fly. Beyond extraction, Klippa adds intelligence with duplicate detection, fraud signals, full audit trails, and GDPR and ISO compliance, so finance teams can process confidently. Instead of being locked into per-invoice pricing, Klippa offers usage-based, modular subscriptions. You only pay for what you use, and you can process any type of document without extra fees. Scale your automation across all departments from the same platform. Klippa's cloud-native architecture means secure access from anywhere and instant expansion without extra infrastructure. With tools like LLM-powered Prompt Builder, Flow Builder, Human-in-the-Loop Review, and Semantic Search, Klippa makes sure you're always ahead, and updates roll out automatically so you're never stuck waiting. So if you're looking for an alternative for Kofax AP Essentials that goes beyond AP invoices, Klippa DocHorizon is your future-ready choice. One platform, any document type, adaptive AI, automatic compliance checks, all with flexible pricing and instant scalability. Click the link in the description below to book your free demo today. Like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe for more practical AI workflow tips.